Hot Toys Tom. Oh, sorry, Hot Toys Tom Hodgins and Backcat, and
Hey
he's
guys,
gonna
back
climb.
here again. And you like my new jacket?
He's gonna climb in science fair. He's like really high now. What the heck was that? Oh, it's a battery. Battery. Let's get back to Leaf. Climbing. Can you climb on top of it? Come on, Leif. He has no strap on. If he falls, he falls. Whoa! What's the size of it? Alright, let's go and find some more stuff to do.
I found a way how we can see what's in there.
There's this door that he wants to have a look in. Go! Oh, wait, do you never got this racing thing? Oh, he's gonna try and get on it. Go, Leaf! Go, go, go! It's on 20%, Leaf. Hi guys, I'm just Hodgins. Leafy here. And as you can see, Leaf is looking for a door. Usually there's a soccer thing. A soccer thing? What is it?
Look, there's stuff in there. It's a bike thing. What's that bike in there?
Open it up.
I can't tell.
Let's show everyone if you can see, guys.
No, they can't see.
Hang on, they can see. You see that helmet there? There's like a bike there. In there. What are you looking at? Sorry guys, it's pretty dark.